What is the title of the story?
The Naughty Kite.
Hmm.
Children and animals can be naughty sometime, but have you
Ever
heard about a naughty kite? Let us read about one.
Stop. So today in this story we will learn about a naughty kite. We will not learn about any naughty boy in this story. We will not learn about any naughty girl. Here in this story we will learn about a kite who was very naughty. Okay, let's see.
It sit on the top.
Hey, what are you doing? Where are you reading? No. Where have you finished? You have finished here and you have to start after that.
One. Can you see the kite?
Can you see the kite? Where is the kite? Show me.
This.
Okay, this is the kite. Very good.
It also
Always wax
It
its tail.
and
Six its
ears.
ears. Then it breaks its string and flies away.
It is a naughty kite. It is
Yeah, read properly. It sits
on the tops
of
of
houses,
and
gets stuck
stuck
in
in
trees.
trees.
Stop. So what happens? Look at me. So when we fly kites, sometime it gets stuck in the trees.
trees.
Okay, good. It falls.
It
Where are you reading? Where it is?
it falls
Into ponds. Sometime it falls into ponds or
on the grass.
okay. Now tell me only one thing. Do you like to fly kite?
Yes.
Okay.
It has a snow with
White. WHIT. What it is?
white face and pink and white ears.
Okay. Now tell me only one thing. How many ears do you have?
2.
Show me your ears. Okay, very good. Now turn the page. Go to the next page. Start reading.
It is still
Such
a
pretty
pretty kite.
kite. 1 minute. So look at me. The kite was actually very pretty. It was very beautiful. Okay.
Kite is
It is full stop is there. Exclamation. It is made
made of paper and
little bits
bit
of string
string
tied
tied
together.
together. Look at
it
it.
now. Show me.
Now.
Where is the kite?
This.
Okay, start.
It is
Stuck
on
on a red roof. We can see that the boy was flying the kite. Can you see? The boy was flying the kite, but it got stuck on a red roof. The children pull
the tail of the kite.
where it is? Where are the children? They are trying to pull the tail of the kite. But
the kite does
not move.
not move.
But the kite was not moving. Then they
They
try
try
again. Then what happened?
Then
They
they
bring
bring a ladder.
ladder. Where is the ladder? Can you show me? This is the ladder. This is the ladder. This is the ladder. Okay. So why? so that they can go on the top of this roof. Okay. They here it is. They climb
up
carefully.
Just then the
Wind lifts
the kite and it
flies away again. So what happened actually when the boy used this ladder to climb on the top of the roof and when they climbed on the top of the roof, after that what happened? The kite actually flew away. Okay. Now it flies over the field and far away. Now I have one question for you. Look at me and tell me the answer. So what happened in the end? The boy were able to take that kite, or it went? They took it.
No.
So it went or no? Or they took it? They got it, or it went flight? The boys, the children, they got the kite. Yes or no? They got the kite. When the boy climbed on the top of the roof, they got the kite, or the kite flew away? The children, they got the kite. They took the kite. It flew away.